Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate the sidebar on the hospital case list screen. The hospital case list sidebar position on the right hand side of the screen consolidates crucial options and patient information. It serves as a convenient navigation hub, allowing users to swiftly access various screens such as data information, account details, and invoice details. In this video, we will start on a hospital case list screen. Please note that currently the hospital case list screen is only available on the custom segment when the hospital case list tab is added. For more information on how to set up the custom segment, please refer to the navigation wheel settings user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a desired hospital case. Next, open the hospital case list sidebar by clicking on a sidebar expander. Please note that for each feature within this video, a user manual will be available, which will be linked in this video's description. The hospital case list sidebar provides access to additional options for a specific case, which we will go through. Patient information is the demographic information about the patient linked to the hospital case, such as the patient's ID number, medical aid details, and a patient file number. Case Edit allows you to make changes or updates to the information on this specific case. Click on the Case Edit button to add or update details about the patient's admission to the hospital. Data Edit allows you to make changes to the data or patient's information and view more details about the patient. Click on the Data Edit button to edit demographic information of the data or patient. Clinical History provides access to information about the patient's past clinical data, such as scripts, sick notes, and investigation forms. This information can inform the practitioner of potential health problems and provide insight into the patient's condition. Click on the Clinical History button to access the patient's previous clinical data. Account Details provide access to all the account details of the patient's hospital account. Click on the Account Details button to access the account information. Please note that hospital accounts are linked to each specific case, not the overall count of the data or patient, which means that each case is built separately. Clinical Case provides access to all clinical forms where symptoms, signs, diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up of a patient can be captured. Click on the Clinical Case button to access the Clinical Case screen. Invoice allows you to capture an invoice of the patient on this specific case. Click on the Invoice button to access the Invoice Details screen where the invoice can be captured. Receipts allows you to capture a payment made toward the hospital case account. Click on the Receipt button to capture a receipt. Add to Bed allows you to add the patient to a hospital bed. Click on the Add to Bed button to transfer the patient to a bed. Discharge is the process when a patient is ready to leave a hospital, subacute or rehab facility for home or transfer to another suitable facility for further treatment. Please note that there is a difference on the sidebar between when the case is active and discharged or inactive. Please be aware that if a patient has already been discharged, the button will no longer display on the sidebar. Click on the Finalize button to complete the hospital case once all billing and invoicing has been done. Once the case has been finalized, the button will change to Reopen and you will be able to reopen the case if needed be. Please note that when a case has been finalized, you will no longer be able to capture an invoice for the case or add the patient to a bed, as the buttons will be grayed out and these functions will no longer be available to use. Click on the SMS button to send an SMS to the patient. Click on the Email button to send an email to the debtor. Click on the Dial button to make a call to a specific debtor or patient or their medical aid. Please note that VoIP calls are an extra service that comes at a separate fee and will need to be set up on first initiation. Click on a Print Case PDF button to print the details of the desired case to a PDF document. Click on a Download Case PDF button to save a copy of the specific case to your device. Case Management Report gives you a comprehensive overview of a patient's medical case and the management of their stay in a hospital. Click on the Case Management Report button to view the Case Management Report. To email the Case Management Report, click on the Case Management Report drop-down menu and click on the Email Case Management Report button. Click on the Case Statement button to view the statement of the case. To email the case statement, click on a case statement drop-down menu and click on the email case statement button. Just a reminder, for each feature shown within this video, a user manual will be available, which will be linked in this video's description.